What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on Trump coin because the overall market did recover and it is on a continued rally since yesterday, basically after market open. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I am in. And if you're new around here, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So, what we're seeing right now in the cryptocurrency market is a very good sign that we are indeed looking extremely bullish. Of course, today's FOMC meeting part one, and tomorrow will be the meeting notes and the announcement from Jerome Powell on what they're going to be doing, which could affect the market in a very positive direction or kind of slow us down a little bit. But regardless, remember right now, as I've been mentioning time and time again, dips are continuously for buying and not for selling. As I mentioned, I am on the road. That's why you guys see my camera is off. And I'll be traveling over the next few days, but hopefully when I get to my final destination, I will be back online, hopefully with some live streams and things like that. But I'm going to talk about some of the biggest gainers today, and that is, of course, within the top four biggest gainers is ticker symbol Trump. Things are looking very good. After we had a pretty significant sell-off all the way down to $25, we then recovered, bounced off that support line, and have been running, consolidating right around that $30 mark. Things are looking great. So we'll dive into some of the news factors on what's going on in the crypto market, why Trump coin is rallying. But remember, guys, for those of you that are supporting the channel, Blofin is the closest thing to, I guess, an official affiliate. I have an affiliate link down below for anybody that is a trader. Your Pop X Blofin, $100,000 deposit and trade rewards from now until February 3rd. Take advantage of it. There's some free money offerings. I've been using Blofin myself. You guys see that I'm putting always my active trades. My total inflows into my account has been $7,000. So we're up about 11% in the last 2 days since the account has been funded. So it's been cool to see. I only trade spot personally, and with just spot trading, we've been able to buy support, and I haven't really been selling actually. Just been buying support. Could start selling resistance if we want to take profits and rotate depending on the market's condition. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to make any new trades or new decisions on the direction I want to go. So with that being said, for those of you that are wondering, where do I post my trades? Some people will charge money for paid groups, discords, blah, blah, blah. And I've, of course, used those kind of things in the past, but I just believe in free education, free game, if you will. And this community tab on YouTube, if you navigate away from my videos tab to community, you could see all my active trades. So every time from the beginning, when I started, it was right around here 3 days ago. And I talked about setting some limit buy orders, which is the cool thing with Blofin is you can create these limit buy orders and get your positions in. So that's what I did with Trump coin, and I've been buying up some XRP. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So the cryptocurrency market withstood the sell-off. On Monday, the cryptocurrency market partially recovered from the initial decline, regaining about 2/3 of the lost value. And today we saw a continued rally. As a result, the crypto market capitalization increased by 4.3% from previous day, and by the start of trading in Europe, 3.52 trillion. Which right now, at the time of this recording, we are sitting right around 3.51 trillion. So again, a lot of liquidity and money has flowed back into the market. The cryptocurrency market sentiment index rose 72 for the past day, showing a steady appetite for risk assets despite the recent sell-off. By the end of the day, on Monday, Bitcoin did recover from its fall and was back above $101,000 mark, with its price approaching 103K on Tuesday morning, crossing the 50-day moving average, which again puts us back on the table for bullish sentiment and bullish movement. So big things when it comes to news backgrounds. For those of you who don't know why Trump coin recovered and everything else recovered, after another recalculation, Bitcoin's mining difficulty fell 2.12% to 108.11 trillion. The first, 11T, the first decline since September 2024. So according to CoinShares data, global crypto fund investments totaled 1.85 billion last week, up from 2.195 billion the week earlier. So again, this positive trend continued for the third week in a row, intensifying in the last 2 weeks. Bitcoin investments were up 1.591 billion for inflows, Ethereum 205 million, XRP 19 million, and Solana 7 million. And we're seeing actually a little bit more even potential when it comes to the meme coin space, as we know ETFs are being applied for. So I think it's going to be kind of interesting to see the direction the market pulls if an ETF is approved for something like Trump coin. The most important thing to me is if you guys look at the overall market caps and trading volume, you'll see trading volume here on this category on CoinMarketCap. And if you see, for example, XRP is at 9.7 billion, Solana's at 5.7 billion, Dogecoin at 2 billion, Chainlink at 645 million. Most importantly, though, TRUMPCOIN, $3.25 billion. It is still one of the highest traded assets in the market. It's amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies, the top 8 maybe at this point when it comes to trade volume. Yeah, it actually is. Aside from stablecoins, it's trading more than BNB. So it's actually a top 6 cryptocurrency in terms of trade volume. So with that being said, for those of you that don't really understand the implications of trade volume, for me, it's kind of like the sentiment of what direction the market can pull it once we flip bullish. As soon as that switch turns around, we know that TRUMPCOIN then can hopefully start to rally back into the 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe even $70. And from there, hopefully enter into price discovery depending on what's going on. And going down into the markets that it's being traded on, Binance right now, insane, $721 million of trade volume. And then we're seeing it also on Coinbase, $128 million of trade volume, OKX 295. So we're seeing Eastern Hemisphere, China, the Koreas, Japan trading heavily when it comes to TRUMPCOIN. And in the US, it's one of the highest traded assets as well within the Coinbase exchange. So with that being said, just be prepared. Always be prepared, not surprised for what the market might offer and what kind of opportunities it will bring. But right now, we're looking very good. I think, again, we look for the next level of support. I'll create another video later today about some technical analysis in the sense of support and resistance. Those are the only two that I really think anybody needs in meme coins. And once you realize that, then you can set limit orders, buy the dip, and then kind of decide on what to do from there. And of course, you can do so with Blowfin. I appreciate your support. The link is down in the description below. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.